Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package. Yes, I've had this for a few days, and I've just been waiting for it for a good time to record. Anyhow, this is from CraftEase. Look, fragile. This is fragile. It came pretty quickly. I guess I didn't set up an account on their site, so I don't have details, except that it was $39.99, and it was $3 shipping, so the shipping was very reasonable. CraftEase is kind of new on this scene. They have got licensed artwork, and they're getting more. They just added like one I shared with my best friend Maritza, and she's like, dang it. She went and she got it already. Anyhow, when I went looking, I'm not a fan of the girls. They're pretty, but I'm like, it's nothing I would like put in my house or anything. So I'm just not a fan of those. But I did find this one. Okay, so here's what their box looks like. It has their name on it. It's branded CraftEase Diamond Art Kit. How is CraftEase different? We promote independent artists and collaborate with them by remunerating them for their work. Paying them, right? Okay, yeah. So cool, right? Some contents of the box are on of the package are on the back here. Cool. All right. I'm sure you want to see what I got. Like I said, the girls, they're Sybil art, and they're pretty. They're super pretty. I just don't see myself displaying them in my house, and so I didn't get one of those. This is Sybil art, though, just so you know. It's just not one of the girls. Okay, I found something a little different. So their canvases are poured glue, as you can see. Nice poured glue. We all love some poured glue, right? Yeah. All right, so let me roll this backwards because it is poured glue, and I'll get everything out of the inside. It's a typical canvas. It's not, not too stiff. It's just kind of a typical oil canvas. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, here's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. And right now, let's look at their toolkit. What comes in a CraftEase toolkit? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, so we have 2 blue squishies. Here's another one. Hang on, let's get all of this out. 2 blue squishies. 2 pieces of, 1 piece of wax. 2 folded, I don't know, something like that. About the metal tweezers. And then we have 2 pens here, and they both have a multi-placer on the end. They look like that, they look like that. All right, 2 pens. All right, so everything's kind of geared for 2 here. That's what it looks like, geared for 2. All right, let's unroll this and let's look at this and see what I got, okay? Okay, it's gonna be a landscape direction. Look at that. Now that's my style, right? You guys know me, that's my style. It has www.craftease.com on the bottom, social media, their logo at the top. This is a like 40 by 40, I believe. They do not have a legend over here. On this small of a painting, it's probably not necessary. I don't know if they have 2 legends on larger paintings or not, because I only have this one. Here is the symbol list over here, and it says, oh, it's called Final Fantasy. Oh, no, Floral Fantasy. That's funny. My son's favorite game is Final Fantasy. And I just turned that right into Final Fantasy. It's floral. It's 40 by 40. We're going to measure. And I'm pretty sure there's special drills in all of the CraftEase. I believe those 2 colors right there are going to be some special drills. There's 19. Don't get excited thinking there's a whole lot of color blocking here, because this whole background here is confetti. I mean, it's like, look at that. Every other one. It's just like, checkerboarding. But you're kind of forced into checkerboarding. There is some color blocking areas. But aren't they pretty flowers? Some poppies. Yeah, so pretty, right? Yeah, lots of confetti areas. Look at that. Look at it. It looks really good, right? Looks really good. Nice and sticky, the glue. Okay. Let's measure it. Let's see if it is a true 40 by 40 centimeters. Let's see. What do we get? Right there and right there. It's 39. Okay, so it's about a centimeter short of the 40. I'm going to assume that's the same this direction, right? It's pretty close, though. That one's 39 and a half. Okay, well, there you go. But isn't it pretty? It's pretty. I do like that image. I do. It's got, some wrinkles in the plastic. You can pull the plastic back if you want to flatten that out. There is nothing wrong with the canvas. See? Well, hello. I like how it did that to me. Look at that. Come on. Look. See? Nothing wrong with that canvas at all. It's just wrinkles in the plastic, and that plastic will do that. So if you want to get them all out, you could pull it all back, and I'm not going to fuss with it right now. I just think it's pretty. I want to see the drills. That's what I want to see. Look, come in this long package. We have DMC codes on the canvas. Well, not all of them are DMC, though, because 01 is not a DMC code. And 25 and 26 are special numbers as well. So let's see what we got. It will be pretty. Look at all of the blue turquoisey colors, you guys. There's a whole bunch of them. All right, we're going to go in order. I'm just going to go this way, which means I have to go around the camera. All right, so that's what you get on your package. Number 1 on the canvas. No DMC code on the drills. Gray. Orange. And look at right off the bat, we have a green rhinestone. That is a green, not silver, but green rhinestone. Yeah, okay. A grayish color. Burgundy. Red. Green. And there's another rhinestone. So we do have special drills with this. A like lime green rhinestone. That's pretty. So apparently the greens are going to be in the leaves. They're both green colors. But then here comes a whole selection of teals and blues. Look at all those. More. Another red. More blues. 17, 2 18s. Oh, we got a whole bunch of 18s. More 18s. The 18 parade. Oh, and we have another. Okay, that's the other one that did not have what looked to be a DMC code. It's a clear, and it was that last symbol on the canvas. I think it said 01 or something like that. 01. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it said 01. See? So that is a rhinestone. 25 is a rhinestone. 26 are rhinestone numbers. So that will be T and U and X. So the T's are all the stems. The U's are the stems. So all of the stems are rhinestones. This leaf is rhinestones. This bud leaf here is rhinestones. And then the X's are in the white areas. So you get some in the center of each of these flowers, and then in these we have X's, the clear, like silver looking rhinestones. That will be pretty. I like when they mix drills. I mean, it doesn't always have to be ABs. They're using rhinestones with regular drills, and I think it will be really pretty. I like it. So they're growing and they're adding. Like I said, they just added one painting I know of for sure. I saw that last night when I was on the treadmill. And I'm assuming they're trying to get more. So keep your eye open. Stop in and see CraftEase every now and then and see what they might have new up their sleeve. Because licensed artwork. This was, what did I say it was? $39. Yeah, it was $39.99, and it was $3 shipping. So not bad. Not bad, not bad. All right. Okay, I'm going to let you go now, and I will link them below so you can check them out. All right. So until the next video, hit the like button and subscribe. Come back, see more stuff, and let's have some fun together. That'd be cool with the rhinestones up all those. Yeah. All right. Gotta go. See ya. Bye.